Banks are using automation today to boost efficiency and create a competitive advantage with things like robotic process automation and intelligent automation. They're seeing that their knowledge workers are freed up to do a more important task, more forward-thinking human-like task, and create automations that the human working with the robot where things are accelerated in the business without adding extra people. Strategically, automation is not an IT thing or an operations or a retail thing. It's a culture thing where there are tools available at every level to do automation. And that's a paradigm shift in the thinking of management, is that's an IT problem or an operations problem. No, this is really a human working with the machine issue, because these tools exist today. And we're leaving a lot on the table in terms of human capital to boost automation when we don't introduce the people to these tools and create a culture and education where people can use those tools, including robotic process automation. Banks should approach automation efforts by creating a culture of automation and efficiency. This means from the boardroom to the operators to the analysts, that there is a initiative in place that's measurable, that everybody's included in, so that automation isn't a one-off type of thing that we do to create a balance sheet improvement this month. It is a culture that starts to change how the organization looks at automation. Automation should be celebrated, integrated, and made a corporate priority. The best way for banks to make sure that employees fully embrace and adopt these automation initiatives is to bring them early in the process, to listen to them, to have them be part of the solution and the strategy, and allow them to own it going forward. If you're interested in automation in your bank leader but not quite sure how to proceed, put together a team involving board level executives, operations and IT and retail executives, as well as analysts that are close to the problems, and charge them with putting together the strategy on how to impact the culture, figure out what the tools are, and what the goals are going to be to move forward with automation. The potential for automation over the next decade will be creating the digital enterprise that prepares the enterprise for the next industrial revolution, which is artificial intelligence. And how that works is automation creates efficiencies, and so everybody can have those same efficiencies. So the way that people are going to be able to compete, have a competitive advantage with artificial intelligence, is to boost customer experience. But in order to do that, you have to have enough good data, and you have to have the automations in place so that you move at the speed of business.